Question number 1. The algebraic expression W plus 2Q plus 4. The constant here, it will be what? The constant will be 4. 4, we called it the constant. The result will be 4. 4, the constant. We have 3 terms here. 4, the constant. 2, we call it the quotient. We have term and term and term, 3 terms here. Okay, then the constant will be 4. Question number 2. The additive inverse of the number 3 here, it will be negative 3. The additive inverse, it will be negative 3. Question number 3. Which measure of center tendency minimum and maximum value about extreme, such that if we have all values here, such that this like term here, minimum and the maximum value, then the best, if there an extreme value, used here the median. Choose letter A, median. Okay, if we have maximum and minimum values, the best way here the median. Understood? Again, which measure of center tendency the best if there an extreme value? If we have extreme value, we must choose median. What about extreme value? Extreme value, it's meaning maximum and the minimum value, or we have the top of the curve and smallest curve here, or the inverse here. If we have this draw here, maximum and the minimum, maximum and the minimum, the best way we can find the result here, the measure of center density using median. Okay. Question number 3. This word extreme refers to maximum and the minimum. Understood? The maximum and the minimum refers to extreme. Which measure of the center density using the median? Okay. Choose the median. Letter A. Number 4. If x plus 2 equal 8, then x over 2 will be space. X plus 2 equal 8, then x here it was 6. Between this number here, 6 plus 2 equal 8, then x will be 6. You want to find x over 2, then 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. The result here will be 3. Question number 5. The set of natural number subset or not subset rational number? Subset from rational numbers. Understood? Natural number beginning by 0 to infinity, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. And rational number contains of natural number and integers and decimal number and fraction. Then a natural number, set of natural number subset. This sign we call it subset. Choose letter A. Question number 6. From descriptive data, descriptive, it will be favorite color. Descriptive data, it's meaning categorical. Categorical data, it's meaning we use the letters in the solution. But weight, age, and the length, we used digits. Question number 7. The largest integer satisfies the inequality is what? Largest integer satisfies the inequality. We have here, where is the inequality? If x greater than 0, we call this inequality. Okay. Which solution the largest integer satisfies the inequality here? We will choose 10. 10 greater than 0 and the largest integer. Understood? The largest integer satisfies the inequality x greater than 0. We can choose 10. Question number 2. Complete. Number 1. Value of which satisfies equation 6 plus a equal 10 is. Value of which satisfies the equation, it's meaning solution the equation 6 plus e equal 10. Then e here equal 4 because 4 plus 6 equal 10. It's the value or the solution set about this equation. Question number 2. In case 3a minus 7 equal 20, then a will be what? We can solve this equation by finding the value of a, by move the negative 7 from left hand side to right hand side. Then 3a will be 20 plus 7. Move this number here. Then 3a will be 20 plus 7, it will be 27. And then divided by 3. Then a here, 27 divided by 3 equal 9. Then the value of a here, it will be 9 about this example. Now, question number 3. The additive inverse of negative 1 and 5 over 7, it will be positive 1 and 5 over 7. Question number 4. The mean of the values, we can eat all the values divided the number of the value. We have 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5. 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. Write 7 here. 5 plus 9 will be 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 18. 18 plus 18, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. Divided by 7, it will be 5. Question number 5. The number of terms in this expression, we have 7n plus 2 plus 3y plus 9. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 terms. We have here 4 terms. Next question number 6. The absolute value is the constant. Okay, absolute value is the constant. The absolute value is what? Look at with me about number line. If we have 0 here and 4, the distance between 0 and 4, it will be 4. And the distance between negative 4 and 0, it will be 4. Then the absolute value is what is, we call it, is its distance from 0 on a number line. On a number line. This is the definition of the absolute value. The absolute value is its distance from 0 on the number line, or on a number line. Its distance from 0 on number line. Okay, it's a definition about absolute value. Because the absolute value from this point, if we put here P and here A, and we want to find the distance between A and B, we can raise the absolute value between difference between them. Second, subtract by first, it will be positive. See, meaning the distance from 0 on the number line. Absolute value of B, 4, subtract by absolute value here, negative 4, will be negative, it will be positive. The result will be 8. Okay, then you can write this words in the space. The absolute value is what? Is its distance from 0 on a number line. Okay, its distance from 0 on a number line. Next question, number 7. The median from the values, we have 5, 7, 10, 11, 14. The median here will be 10. Arrange all numbers here from nearest to greatest, and then choose the number lies in the middle. It will be 10. Question 8. There is some factor between two numbers 4 and 8 is what? Is 4. Because 8 can divide it by 4. Then 4 is the greatest common factor. And 8, we call that least common multiplication between two numbers. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. In the algebraic expression, 2f plus 8, you want to find the coefficient. Coefficient here, it will be 2. Coefficient, it will be 2. We have 2f plus 8. 2 here, we call it numerical factor or coefficient. Question number 2. The additive inverse of the number 3, it will be negative 3. Question number 3. The number plus its additive inverse, it will be 0. Such that 3, it to additive inverse of it will be negative 3. The result will be 0. The additive inverse of the number, change the sign to the number. Any number, it to the additive inverse of it will be 0. Question number 4. Solve the equation 3x minus 1 equal 11. We can solve the equation by eat the additive inverse of negative 1 to left hand side, right hand side. Then we can write 3x minus 1 plus 1. It will be 11 plus 1. We can cancel two numbers. Then 3x equal 11 plus 1, it will be 12, and then divided by 3, then x will be 12 divided by 3 equal 4. In the solution set about this equation, it will be 4. 3 times 4 equal 12, minus 1 equal 11, then x here it will be 4. Next question, number 5. In expression y plus 3 plus m plus 7, two like algebraic term here, 3 and 7. Two like terms here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 terms, 3 and 7. We call it like terms here. Next question, number 6. 4,922 divided by 23 equal space. Using long division between two numbers to find the result, we called it here the dividend and 23 the divisor. Using long division here, 4,922 divided by 23. 4 divided 23 we can add. 49 divided by 23 we can write 2. 2 times 23 equal 46, and then the difference between them, 9 minus 6 equal 3, and then drop 2. 32 divided by 23, it will be what? The nearest number will be 1. 1 times 23, it will be 3. And the difference between them, 2 minus 9, we can't do it. Borrow 1 from 3 will be 2. And here 12 minus 9, it will be 3. And then drop 2 here. Again, the result will be 32 divided by 23. We have here 2 and 1. And 32 divided by this number, it will be 1 again. Complete with me again. 1 times 23 equal 23. 12 minus 3 equal 9. 2 minus 2 0, and then drop 2 here. 92 divided by 23, it will be 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. Then the result will be 214. Choose letter A. Question 7. The sum of marks of 5 students in the mathematical is 60. Then the mean of their marks, we can find the mean by the sum of values divided the number of the values. We have 60 divided by 5. The result will be 12. Question number 4. Answer the following. Number 1. Jihad bought 8 meters of clothes for 2,760 pounds. What is the price of 1 meter? We can find the price of 1 meter by using division between two numbers. 2,760 divided by 8. 2 divided by 8, we can't do it. 27 divided by 8 equal 3. 3 times 8 equal 24. And remainder 3. 36 divided by 8, it will be 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. And remainder 4. 40 divided by 8 equal 5. The result will be 345 pounds. Question number 2. Find the value of the expression 3 power 2 plus 2a negative 9 times 5 if a equal half. Then we can find the value of this expression. 3 power 2, it will be 9 plus 2 times 8 will be 2 times half. Subtract 9 times 5. Write 9 here plus 2 times half, it will be 1. Subtract by 9 times 5. 9 times 5, it will be 45. And then write 9 plus 1, because here 2 times a equal 1. Subtract by 9 times 5, it will be 45. 1 minus 45, it will be negative 44. And then we can write negative times positive, it will be negative. And 9 minus 44, we can write negative outside. And 44 divided by 9. 14 divided by 9 equal 5. And write 3. The result will be negative 35. Okay, the result here will be negative 35. Question number 3. Write a mathematical expression about the following situation. Question number 3. We have a worker and take 250 naps in each day. We need to find the number of naps in many days. again, write mathematical expression about the following situation. We have situation and we want to write the mathematical expression. Worker ant take 250 naps in each day. We need to find the number of naps in many days. Okay, 25 in each day. If we put 250 naps in each day, we need to find the number of naps in many days. Put x reverse to the number of days. Then the result will be 250x, and x reverse to naps. Okay, the number of naps. The total will be 250x. X here reverse to each day. If we put x equal 1 day, x reverse to the number of days. Okay, then the total of naps here about the worker ant take 250 naps in each day. We need to find the number of naps in many day. Put the number of day, it will be x. Then the total of number of naps in many day will be 250 multiplication by x. If the ant take 2 days, then the total will be 250 times 2. It's the number of naps in all days. On all 2 days, put x equal to, and anything as you like in example. But you want to find the expression, the result will be 250x, and x reverse to the number of days. Number of days here, x reverse to the number of days. Now question number 4. The following data here, we have table and the data here. He want to represent this table by using histogram and how many students pay less than 9 later. Okay, to solution this example, first you must draw a table contains of intervals and frequency. We have smallest number 5 here. We can write 5 to 7 and 8 to 10 and 11 to 13 and 14 to 16. And then you can add all the values from the table. From 5 to 7, 10 plus 3 equal to 13. 8 to 10, here it will be 0. And 11 to 13, 4 plus 2, it will be 6. And 14 to 16, it will be 1. Okay, we draw here the table contains of frequency and intervals, and then draw horizontal and vertical graphical here. The first interval down here from 5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13, 14 to 16. And the greatest number 13, count here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, and then first to 13, first interval to 13 here, and second 0, and third to 6, and third to 1. It's the first question. Second question, how many students pay less than 9 lira? Less than 9, it will be 13. Question here number 2, the result will be 13 students. 13 students. Understood? It was question number 1, and the question number 2 writes 13 students. Can you see the question? Question here in this line. How many students pay less than 9 Egyptian lira? Less than 9, it will be 3 plus 10, it will be 13 students. Understood?